Hey guys, good morning from Llandudno, Wales. So guys, once we exit from this Llandudno junction, there is the beautiful statue of this Alice, who is the main character from the movie Alice in Wonderland. Now we are walking towards Llandudno pier, which is around 0.8 miles. I'm just taking the help of this Google map, and by walk it takes around 15 minutes. So just on the way towards Llandudno pier, there's the beautiful Holy Trinity Church. Here is another character from Alice in Wonderland, the White Rabbit. This is the stop number 5 on the trail Alice in Wonderland. So Llandudno is the town on the coastal region of North Wales, and there are lots of tourist attractions in this place, like Llandudno pier, Llandudno pomenade. There is a train started in 1902. This train is the Great Orme train. Here is the another character from the movie Alice in Wonderland. So guys, about this character, information is given here. So this character is the Mad Hatter. So on the flag of Wales, you can see there is a dragon. And here in Welsh language, most of people they speak language Welsh. Though Wales is the part of United Kingdom or Great Britain, here the language of communication is Welsh.
Nothing more, nothing less, love is the best. How can it be to say so much without words? Bless you and bless me. Bless the bees, the birds, floor must be low.
Most of the buildings, they look symmetrical here on the seafront of Llandudno, and I think these buildings must have built by same architect, and most of these buildings are hotels, converted into hotels. Here is the bus for sightseeing, and this bus will take you to Llandudno and Conwy. So this bus is kind of a hop on hop off bus, and this bus runs after every 30 minutes. You can book your boat trips from here. This game is the crab to crane, and you can try your luck by playing this game. So the charge for playing this game is 25 cents, and if you are quite lucky, then you might get this cool toys.
Z tego co jest.
So here is the giant wheel, and any touristic places or any seafront is incomplete without having addition of this giant wheel. And by this giant wheel you can have the view of entire Llandudno pier. So first of all, I'm going to Llandudno pier, and after that I will enjoy this ride of this giant wheel. So this place has everything to offer to all age groups of people. There are lots of fun activities for kids.
Oh yeah, from in there. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at all these beautiful shells. You just stood there and said, I don't want to go in that RV. Sit down, put your shoes on like this, please.
So that the end of this Llandudno pier, people are catching fish over here.